They are not listening to anything, and they are behaving as deaf and dumb. Sorry to say that. And particularly for this purpose, thanks to our friends from Right to Recall Group, Mr. Shayuk Shain and Mr. Ravindra Prachari, you are over here. They will demonstrate a special type of campaign through SMS directly to our leaders, to our people whom we have voted to power in different platforms like in the Parliament, in the Assembly, and also in the corporations. And we can always urge these people who seem to be very close to us in our constituency to urge upon the government in their own platforms, in the appropriate platform, for the declassification of all the secret files relating to Netaji and the INA. I hand you over the mic to Mr. Shayuk Shain and to Mr. Ravindra Prachari.
Hello. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Roy. Good evening, everybody. Now, we at Right to Recall Group proposed this SMS campaign method in order to get the files declassified. Now, let me speak a little about the background of this SMS campaign. Now, there was a dam at Kara, Gujarat, where a bridge was being constructed over a river. And just because of that, around 40,000 people were being displaced from their home and not getting proper compensation for that. So what happened there, people there started sending SMS to their MPs and MLAs and they asked them to stop the construction process or at least compensate, otherwise they won't be voting for them in the coming elections. So around a few thousand SMSs were sent to the MPs. Now very surprisingly, by evening there was a response from the MP and they said that fine, we'll look into this. So by looking at that, we thought of applying that very SMS campaign for the declassification movement as well. Now, the SMS campaign has two parts I would say. First part comprises of sending the SMS to the public representatives, the MPs, the MLAs. And the second part is basically about the verification of the identity of the people who are going to send the SMS. Now, I'm going to speak about the first part. So, what we do, we're going to ask people, the common citizens and all of us, to send SMS to our MPs. I'm going to read out the SMS that we have thought of preparing. It goes like, I look forward for your initiatives to persuade the central and West Bengal government to disclose all secret files related to Netaji and the INA. Now, all the Bose family members ask, and we request all common citizens to send this SMS to their MPs and MLAs so that they feel the need of declassifying these files, and so that the movement gets more and more decentralized from the family. It has been centralized around the family so far. But just sending this SMS now is not going to be enough. We need to publicize this SMS more and more. We need to spread out. We need to tell people, share it on our Facebook wall notes, Twitter, and maybe forward to other people. And motivate other people, motivate more citizens to send similar SMS to their public representatives so that they understand the urge and the importance of this particular movement. Now, first of all, we have to send this particular SMS to our MP. We are going to do that in a moment. Now, I would ask Shayuk to brief about the second part, the verification part of the identity of people who are going to send the SMS. Shayuk.
Thank you, Ravindra. Good evening, everyone. See, the basic thing, we need to create a proper system in which we can verify everyone's identity who is actually supporting the movement. So, we have basically developed a system in which there is an accumulation of support with proper proof. We have developed a website named www.sms2neta.com. I repeat, www.sms2neta.com. Now, this structure passes through 3 stages: registration, verification, and sending message or showing our support. Registration. One needs to send registration in a proper format. I am telling you the format. Start, followed by your voter ID. Start. After that, your constituency code. Give a space, your name, and hash. And send it to 08141277555. I am repeating it. 08141277555. Now, after sending the registration SMS, we will collect copies of voter IDs from each and every person who have sent us SMS, and we will verify verify it means we will verify their identity. Once the identity gets verified, now that person can send SMS in the same number. The code we have generated is Netaji declassify, and if one is supporting it, Netaji declassify Y. If some is space Y, and if someone is opposing it, Netaji declassify space N. So through this medium, we can easily show people that exactly who are supporting it and how many people are supporting it. And this is just a demo website. We are basically creating an example through which we can show MP, MLA or any public representative that they can adopt similar process. And through this, we can easily create a kind of pressure, or rather I will say we can let people know, or the public representative know, the importance of this method. So this is the basic system of SMS campaign. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharad. Thank you, Roberto. I believe our campaign starts from today, the SMS campaign, and it will continue till we have a substantial number of the common public demanding this to their representatives, to the government representatives or their political representatives.